Reading is a powerful tool for personal development. When we read, we not only gain knowledge but also expand our perspectives and understanding of the world. Books can introduce us to new ideas, cultures, and ways of thinking. Through stories, we can experience lives different from our own, which can build empathy and open-mindedness. Reading regularly also improves vocabulary, grammar, and writing skills. For people learning a new language, reading books, articles, or even short stories can make it easier to pick up new words and phrases in context. This not only strengthens language skills but also boosts confidence in speaking and writing. Beyond academic or language benefits, reading has positive effects on mental well-being. Many people find that reading helps them relax and reduces stress. Getting lost in a book is a great way to escape from daily worries and recharge the mind. With so many benefits, reading is a habit worth developing for anyone looking to improve themselves.
Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What is one way that reading can help expand our perspective? A. By reducing vocabulary. B. By introducing us to new ideas and cultures. C. By limiting our thinking. D. By making us forget things. Answer. B. By introducing us to new ideas and cultures. Question 2. How does reading benefit language learners? A. By teaching new words and context. B. By confusing grammar rules. C. By reducing memory. D. By making speaking harder. Answer. A. By teaching new words and context. Question 3. What effect does reading have on mental well-being? A. It increases stress. B. It relaxes and reduces stress. C. It creates more worries. D. It disrupts sleep. Answer. B. It relaxes and reduces stress. Question 4. How does reading improve language skills? A. By increasing grammar mistakes. B. By improving vocabulary, grammar, and writing. C. By reducing speaking confidence. D. By making language learning harder. Answer. B. By improving vocabulary, grammar, and writing. Question 5. Why is reading a beneficial habit to develop? A. It can lead to more worries. B. It offers both language and mental benefits. C. It reduces interest in learning. D. It is unnecessary for self-improvement. Answer. B. It offers both language and mental benefits.